everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, checking in with an early October weekly garden tour right here from Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. Now this week's tours are extra special because my amazing friend Flora was in visiting and she brought a drone and we played around with it. So I hope that you'll like seeing the garden from different vantages, especially the bird's eye view. It's got me thinking that maybe I should expand my technology venture and get a drone because it would actually be pretty cool to see the garden change over the seasons. So anyhow, I hope that you'll enjoy this week's videos. Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today we are doing a special early October garden tour using a drone from my awesome friend Flora. So we're gonna walk around, you can see everything, and then we're gonna figure out how to do like a bird's eye view. So here at the greenhouse, everything is looking lush and great. I've got so much okra, it's insane. And I have not done a good job of keeping up with harvesting it, so we're gonna have a lot of okra decorations. And we just had David's retirement party yesterday, and we cooked all the eggplant. Of course, as of today, there's more eggplant, so there will be more baba ganoush in my future. We also were able to use the cushaw squash and Seminole pumpkins from the garden as part of the menu, and they were delicious. I think everybody was like, oh my gosh, I really like these. But I realized that I missed a couple. And if you look down in there, you can see some monster cushaws.
Get down, it'll follow you.
Oh, follow me all the way down. You see, oh my gosh, this is so cool. All right, so let's go to this garden because, well, the pumpkin wall is epic. What can I say? Now, this is actually not a Seminole and not a cushaw. It's a mystery squash, and it's really hard to see, but maybe you'll be able to get down in here and see that it's this giant, like, oblong squash, and it turns orange. Oh, I can see what you can see. Okay, I'll get a close-up of that. I missed that one, obviously. But just like last year, this whole border is turning into a pumpkin wall, which is pretty magical. So the cane sorghum is the coolest thing ever. I definitely am excited that it is starting to set seed because I want to be able to grow this again next year. And I actually haven't even been over here. I've been out of town all week, and the deer have started to eat the pumpkins, but pretty specifically where the pumpkins are near hydrangeas. So it's kind of a funny thing the deer do. And, oh, I need to water. Let's go check it out. I need to go ahead and water all of these broccoli, cauliflowers, and cabbages. But they're growing really well. I'm so happy to finally have these established. And look, the tomatoes are recovering after the deer browse. So see, just a little piece of cattle fence makes a big difference. Yeah, it's like discovering the garden all over again. Now, I heard a bunch of people yesterday saying, like, how do you have figs? And I'm like, they just are. Finally, they're producing. Though they've dropped a lot of leaves in the last few days. You can kind of see better. The succulents are always the right decision. You're not living a complete life if you don't have a bunch of succulents. And oh my gosh, the muley grasses are looking amazing. So we'll do a lap around front and then we'll go out to the native borders because they actually look incredible right now. And I'll be on the lookout for spider webs. I can't believe that this just follows me. It's so cool.
It's getting everything. It'll look cool chopped up too.
Oh my gosh. So you guys, I'm not allowed to use the donut sprinkler anymore. It's a self-imposed rule. But twice I left it running for more than 24 hours. last week. So this section should actually be well watered because yeah, I had like a huge puddle here. And yeah, you see, it did work because look, I've got a ginger lily in bloom. And that's what happens when you run a sprinkler for 28 hours. And I'm happy this border is finally starting to look full. The pumpkin and all the cool season vegetables that I planted are really kind of just filling in the space. It's the first time all year that I've had proper ground plane coverage. And this big front border has definitely done its job. I love it so much. This, I was a bit nervous about. Oh, cool. Oh, it's going up higher. Hi.
So just like
Well, I hope you'll plan to tune in tomorrow for part 2 of my early October weekly garden tour. As always, thanks so much for watching and happy gardening, everybody.